Today, we've got an exciting comparison for all the Samsung fans out there. We're diving into the Samsung Galaxy A56 versus Samsung Galaxy A36. Both of these phones are part of Samsung's popular A series. But which one is worth your hard-earned money? Stick around as we break down the design, performance, camera, and more. Design and display. Let's start with the design and display. The Galaxy A56 features a sleek, modern design with a glass back and a metal frame, giving it a premium feel. On the other hand, the Galaxy A36 has a plastic back, but still manages to look stylish with its glossy finish. In terms of display, the A56 boasts a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate, making it super smooth for scrolling and gaming. The A36, meanwhile, has a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display, but with the standard 90Hz refresh rate. Both screens are vibrant and sharp, but the A56 takes the lead with that higher refresh rate. 2. Performance. Now let's talk performance. The Galaxy A56 is powered by the Exynos 1380 processor, paired with up to 8GB of RAM. This makes it a solid choice for multitasking and gaming. The Galaxy A36, on the other hand, runs on the Exynos 1280 processor with up to 6GB of RAM. It's still a capable device, but the A56 clearly has the edge when it comes to raw power. If you're into gaming, the A56 will handle graphics-intensive games like Genshin Impact or Call of Duty Mobile much better. The A36 is no slouch, but it might struggle a bit with heavier games on higher settings. So camera, next up, the cameras. The Galaxy A56 comes with a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 5-megapixel macro camera. The Galaxy A36 also has a 50-megapixel main camera, but it's paired with an 8-megapixel ultra-wide and a 2-megapixel macro lens. In daylight, both phones take great photos, but the A56 pulls ahead with better dynamic range and sharper details. In low light, the A56's larger sensor and improved software processing really shine. As for portraits, the A56's edge detection is slightly better, giving you more professional-looking shots. Battery and software. Battery life is another key factor. Both phones pack a 5000 mAh battery, so you're looking at all-day usage on a single charge. However, the A56 supports 25W fast charging, while the A36 is limited to 15 sols. That means the A56 will juice up much faster. Both devices run on Samsung's One UI, based on Android, so you'll get a clean and user-friendly experience. The A56, however, is likely to receive longer software support given its newer chipset. Price and conclusion. Alright, let's talk price. The Galaxy A56 is obviously the more expensive option, but you're paying for better performance, a smoother display, and improved cameras. The Galaxy A36 is a great budget-friendly alternative, especially if you don't need the extra power or features. So, which one should you buy? If you're a power user or want the best Samsung has to offer in the mid-range segment, go for the Galaxy A56. But if you're on a tight budget and still want a solid Samsung experience, the Galaxy A36 won't disappoint. That's it for today's comparison. Which one would you choose? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.